You lost for words? So welcome back to a new video. If you haven't seen already, I've recently on CarWow for the drag races with this handsome young man. Oh, thank you. So check in the description below.
Neither handsome nor young. Very kind of you. And very kind of Mark to bring down his wonderful Aventador SVJ to the channel. So we had some fun with this, and the racing was super close, wasn't it?
It was, yeah. Very, very fun. A few sketchy moments, but that's normal for me. So.
It's normal for me as well, lots of sketchy moments. But yeah, if you haven't seen the video, they can follow, they can check it out, can't they?
Straight in that link below. You'll love it.
And we'll hopefully get Mark back on again. So comment, right? Go, please, Mark, send some more of your cars through to CarWow. I want to see your drag racing mat and put him in his place.
See, start the show. It's much better than this.
You've only just started and you got 25,000 subscribers. I've been doing blooming, you know, I've been doing, how long have I been doing this? In fact, so long I can't even remember. I'm not sure how well you can donut in that because it's four-wheel drive, but yeah, don't kill your transmission. And save yourself some time. You're trying to poison me. That was wicked.
I think we're warmed up. Just had Chance on the phone, told us to come outside because he's got a project car. He's just coming down the lane. I have absolutely no idea what it is, but all I can say is he told me it's cheap. I hope it was cheap. Explain your thought process.
Car was going for scrap. Looks a bit too tidy to go to scrap.
What's it go like?
Wow, that's the problem. It doesn't at the moment.
So you bought a project car which doesn't work.
That's where Nick comes into it.
What on earth are you going to do with this?
Bloke told me six people.
There's only 4 seats. 2 lay down. Love it. Love it. See what Jane has to say. I want to see her reaction. Jane?
Yeah?
Surprise for you.
Wow,
It's a surprise.
Surprise! Yes! What's the surprise? It's cool.
Your new car?
Yes. Are you winding me up? Mark, it's a flipping hearse. Seriously, are you having a laugh?
It's cheap there.
I'm lost. Mark, I'm lost.
Chance's bought a project car.
Project car to do with what?
Not sure. It's Chance's idea.
Like, do you know? Like...
Who's Parker?
What's it say?
Parker.
Sorry, Parkers. I don't care what you do with it, but it is just not being parked outside the front of the house, okay?
Oh, I've got a bad vibe about this, Chance. No, I'm having nothing to do with it.
Suppose it is.
These bonkers. What on earth are we going to do with that? Hang on, Pal, I'll come and get you.
God bless Mr. Parks.
We're going to go to Nick's then.
What are you going over to Nick's for then?
Hopefully repair this Escort.
Daddy! Professor! Say, my name's Senna Rose McCann.
It's smoky in there. Oh, the trouble is I don't even know what that was. Oh man, we're never going to get this
time
finished.
you've ever had a camera on you while this has happened. See, normally when things go wrong, people stop filming. This is the first time that Mark's ever had people film while things are going wrong. Like, he's used to just people turning off the camera.
Yeah, and what happened? You didn't even bother coming and help. You just got the camera. That's why people don't film. People help people. If I fell over, you'd laugh and get the camera. A normal person would ring up a tow truck but I want to get the video finished. For the channel, we're going to soldier on, we're going to gamble. The car turned off and the windscreen wipers came on. Yeah, look, that's hitting that.
Oh!
There's our problem. Right. Now I remember Nick telling me to put something underneath there. Fan of the Escort Cosworth. We're going to use a floor mat. We're going to put that under there, and hopefully we'll not catch on fire. I'm scared to. We haven't got electric windows, so I feel safe. Oh, I've had better journeys.
Oh dear.
Jesus, that was close.
Battery lights on as well, look.
Everything's flipping going on. Well, all the lights which are supposed to be on aren't on, and all the lights which...
Yeah, you got fog lights on, not normal lights.
It's all gone backwards, so... Yeah, that was scary.
Let's have a look.
At least it's in one piece.
You got your pants on top of it.
Now I'm using a mat.
Oh, you found that.
Jordan had my back.
Yeah.
Did he? He's straight out of the camera.
I was going to say, I bet he grabbed the camera, didn't he?
Did absolutely nothing to help the situation.
What you done, Mark?
On the plus side, the misfire is now fairly insignificant. It is now the least of any problems. Right, what happened is, if we go to the very, very start, it needed a new battery. So we got a new battery. This should have had the square terminals on. Couldn't get the square terminals. So we put the other terminals onto that, and Nick said to me, be careful, because that's going to hit the bonnet. I listened and then forgot all about it. So then, obviously that shorted out, and then it's basically set the wiring loom on fire.
I've got no words for it. I'm just not looking forward to doing it, to be honest.
But there is positives. There are some positives.
And negatives, that's what burnt out.
The positives are we haven't got to worry about the misfire for now. The other positive is it didn't set on fire. And the other positive, there's going to be a part 3. And more than likely a part 4.
And 5.
This is great content. It could go on for months. Oh man.
The look on everyone's faces. Oh, it just says it all.
It's just
Like,
It
look
looks
at
bad.
that.
But it smells a lot worse than it looks.
Hey, at least you can get good scrap value for the copper.
New loom. After seeing what we've got here now, probably driving another 20 miles was probably not the wisest decision, but we got away with it. So not the best day. They say you should never leave a man behind, but today we're going to have to. So I was going to come up in the 4x4 Subaru, but unfortunately the battery's dead, so the only other 4x4 I've got is this one. So you probably think, what the hell was all that about? But basically, we've got access to a field which is just a perfection place for in the summer. Wanted to come up here today to see if it was capable of doing anything at the minute, and obviously, unfortunately, it's not. It's still really, really wet. This field is where I practice all my buggy stuff, backflip it, put it on 2 wheels, and have a little bit of a practice round. And I can't wait for you to see the content up here. Roll on the spring and summer. So today we're up at my friend's yard. I'm doing a TV show for BBC 3 and I've got to go on to 2 wheels as a bit of a stunt. So I haven't done it for a while because of our winter. So we're up here on the hard standing and fingers crossed I can get it up there so when we come to the shoot day, I can do everything right.
safety. I don't know about you guys, but this, it just does not look safe. It really doesn't. Like, this whole setup.
Ran out of fuel.
What?
It ran out of fuel, it just stopped. Eh? Did you? It stopped and ran out of fuel. We were up then.
Yeah, good one there, didn't you?
Thank you so much.
Do you want to go for round 2?
It just stopped. Right, lesson learnt, more fuel needed. I knew it was low. Idiot. We started on Thursday, it's now Sunday. But we got it done. Oh dear, that's been a while, but yep, sort of made it work. It'll be a lot easier on the shoot because it's on tarmac, I think. So yeah, fingers crossed, that'll be good. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and yeah, same time as usual next week, Tuesday, 10 AM.